Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to spend Emirates Miles. These are the steps that you need to follow to spend your Emirates Skyward Miles. The first thing you need to do is to open your web browser and go to the Emirates website at emirates.com. Follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account or to log in using an existing account. Now, once logged in, go ahead and navigate to the Skywards section of the website. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to navigate to the Skywards section of the website. From here, head over to the top right corner of the screen and you see your profile name. Click on that and now you have this My Overview. Select My Overview and the next option is here. So from here, you can see your Skyward Miles. So in the Skywards or in your Skywards accounts page, which we have here on the My Overview, you'll see the number of Skyward Miles that you have. Right here, I have 0 Skyward Miles and 0 tier miles. So of course, here this shows you how many miles you currently have that can be used for rewards. Now, Emirates Skyward Miles can be used for various rewards, including number 1, flight redemptions. So you can use your miles to book flights with Emirates or its partner airlines. You can use your miles to upgrade to a higher class of service, that's from economy to business or business to first class. And you can use your miles to book hotel accommodations with Emirates hotel partners. You can use your miles for car rentals through Emirates partner services. You can use your miles at the Skywards Miles Mall to shop at various retail partners. And you can use your miles to redeem various gift cards or merchandise from Emirates partners. Now, this is how to redeem your miles. So from here, you can just book your next trip. So click on search flights and okay. You can book your flight from here or you can just book your flight from the main home screen. Just anywhere is better. So book a flight from here. All right. So departure airports, let me just use Abuja. And arrival airports, let's go to London. So departure date, 6th is fine. Returning on the 8th. And the class, definitely gonna be first class. Adults, just 1. Teenagers, no, none of that. And click on search. There are no flight. Okay, so Lisbon 7th. Let's do Lagos. Lagos to London. Search. Okay, we have that. Fine. So let's select for outbound. So I think I'm just going to use one that has lowest price. And click on select. Then inbound. Select. So I'm going to click on continue to passengers to confirm my passenger details. Then the next thing, I'm just going to click on use my Emirates Skywards, then continue to options. Confirm all the benefits and continue to payment. So review selection and payment options. Now over here it says cash plus miles. Now it says I do not have sufficient miles to use cash plus miles. But if I have sufficient miles, I can just go ahead and click on cash plus miles and use my miles instead of payment in full. So that's it. Now I can click on miles summary. I don't have miles. I don't have miles. So they say tier miles. So Skywards this. So if I scroll down and I say cash plus, so of course, if I click on miles summary, it means if I'm able to book this flight, then this is what I'm going to get at the end of the day as my miles. So I don't have miles. That's why this is not enabled. But if you have miles, you can use, instead of in full, click on cash plus miles, and then money is going to be deducted from your miles and added to your payments. Now click on pay miles, click on pay now button using your miles. Now that is how you can redeem your miles. Now go over to tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.